everyone, welcome to the world of English. Are you the ones who are trying to settle abroad or trying to crack the IELTS exam? Don't worry, we are here to help you because this is a series designed specially for you guys who are trying to crack the IELTS exam. Today's series is all about pronunciation. This is a very important factor when you go abroad to interact with the native speakers. So here are some mispronounced words. The first word is business. Business. In India, we pronounce it as business, which is wrong. The right pronunciation is business. For example, I would like to do a lot of business with overseas customers. So the word is business. The second word is chaos. Chaos. C-H-A-O-S. Usually we mispronounce it as chaos, which is wrong. It's chaos, which means a disorder or a confusion. So I'll give you an example. Repairs to the major highways bring chaos to the public, which means you're going to face a lot of difficulties or confusions when there is a repair on the roads. Okay, so that is word number 2, chaos. So the next word or the third word is accessory. We usually mispronounce the word as accessory, which is wrong. It's accessory. And that's a thing that is attached to a cloth or a machine for decorative purpose, or it may be for some other uses too. I would like to give an example like this. My dressing is incomplete without matching accessories, which means that I would like to dress it with matching accessories with a dress. Okay, so that is the third one, accessories. The fourth word is heinous. Heinous, which means it is totally shocking or very bad thing. This is used especially with the crimes. For example, he received death penalty for his heinous crimes, which means that the crime was really shocking or very bad. So that is word number 4, heinous. Now let's have a look at the fifth word, debut. Debut. Usually in India we mispronounce this word as debut, but here the T is silent. It's debut. Let's have a look at the example. So he was really lucky to have his professional stage debut in the International Film Festival. So that's an example for debut. Debut means the first appearance that is given in the public by a person. That's called as debut. So that's all about debut. The next word is often. The next word is often. It's often. It's not often or often. It's often, which means many times. For example, how often do you visit your family? Or how often do you visit your parents? Which means that how many times do you go and see your parents? So often is many times. Okay, it's pronounced as often, not often. Okay, our next word is hierarchy. Hierarchy. It's not hierarchy, it's not hierarchy, it is hierarchy, which means that there is a system in all organizations where you have different ranks based on the relative positions. Okay, that is called hierarchy. For example, every organization has a hierarchy, and understanding that it's very important. So that is all about hierarchy. Our final word is mischievous. Mischievous. It's not mischievous, it's not mischievous, it's mischievous. It's pronounced as mischievous. Okay, for example, he has got a mischievous smile. He is a mischievous boy, which means that he is a kind of naughty but not harmful to others. Okay, he doesn't intend to do bad things, but he is a bit naughty, a bit bad things but not affecting anyone. That's called as mischievous. Okay, hope that's all clear to you. So that's all about today's session. If you want to know more about our IELTS course, please contact us in the number given below. So until I see you next time, it's bye-bye.